Do you have cardboard at home? Perfect, because I've got big ideas for it. I'm Leila, a teacher and former book editor, and on this channel we turn ordinary cardboard into decorations, furniture, and even practical tools for fellow teachers, all with simple tools and easy techniques. And yes, I'm French, and in my country we love cardboard so much it's legally considered as a valuable resource, not waste. Stick around because once you see what's possible, you will never look at a cardboard box the same way again. Teaching is what I do, so I'll guide you through each project step by step, making it fun and easy for you to follow along. And I would love to hear from you as well. Share your ideas, your questions, or even your wildest projects, and I will challenge myself to help you bring them to life. Ready? Let's dive into the magic of cardboard, follow me through the workshop, and let's embark on this creative adventure together. I'll see you there.